Alright, YouTube, here comes Escondido disposal yard waste. Oh, and I think it stopped. Made a red signal. How was that double meat? How was that double meat? At least the recycling truck, at least the green waste, the yard waste truck beat the recycling truck by a mile. Whoa! If y'all were wondering why haven't I done any new garbage truck videos, if y'all were wondering why haven't I done any new videos lately, it's because, there haven't been any new garbage trucks except that day when there was another yard waste truck that was as a spare. But oh well, can't have everything perfect. I'm not the legendary cheering garbage truck fan for nothing. Shout out to California garbage trucks of San Marcos, and garbage trucks of Valley Center for watching my videos. And also to Epic and Awesome. And also to Epic and Awesome. They're both cool YouTubers. Whoa! Whoa! I'm gonna be by my neighbor's house. Ow. Holy prójimos. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Oh no. What in the prójimo? Did you see that truck going by when the yard waste truck is throwing some yard waste? Ay, ay, ay. YouTube, don't do what those people are doing. Whoa! There goes that yard waste truck towards the landfill. Great crew, great truck. There she goes to the landfill. Whoa!